everybody, cooking in the kitchen with Sylvia again. Today I'm going to make some fried chicken. I'm going to go ahead and use pieces of chicken thighs that I removed the bone and just used the pieces of the thigh. This is about 1.5 pounds. You can choose any type of chicken parts that you want. You can do the legs, you can do the wings, the breast, or a combination of all. I'm just going to go ahead and use the thighs because that's what I bought today. So here we go. It's not so hard. What's important, of course, is that you have your chicken cleaned and prepped. So I'm going to season this with just salt and garlic powder, and then I'm going to coat it with some flour and deep fry it. I've got a pan here. I've already added my oil. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil, and you want to bring it up to a medium to high heat. My pan was heating up a little while ago, so it's pretty much ready. You can see it kind of smoky. It means it's really getting hot. So let's go ahead and season our chicken really quick. And you don't need a lot of seasoning. You just want to drizzle a little salt on your chicken pieces. Do both sides. What gives a nice flavor to this fried chicken is actually the garlic powder. I know my family likes this chicken a lot. They actually tell me they prefer it over the store-bought. And I like it too. And I think the garlic powder is what adds to the flavor of this chicken. So give it a little drizzle with some salt. And then you want to do the same with the garlic powder. Just do a little drizzle. Turn the pieces over and do that side. Like I said, if you like thighs or wings or your drumsticks, the breast of the chicken, you can use a whole chicken and cut it in pieces. You can do that. Or you could just use maybe all thighs or all legs. It's your choice which one you like. Alrighty, so let me wash my hands real quick and then I'll show you what to do next. Of course, anytime you handle raw meat, whether it's chicken or beef, you always want to wash your hands. So I've got a small container here, and I want to use about 1 cup of flour. You might not even use a full cup, but you need at least about 1 cup. Okay, and then you just want to toss your chicken pieces inside that flour. You could even use a little baggie that you want to just toss and throw away. So you just want to drench it in the flour. I know sometimes people use eggs, beaten eggs. They can do that too, but I find this step, just like this, actually gives you a nice, good, crispy crust. So coat all your pieces in the flour, and like I said, you might not even need a whole cup, but you can add some more if you run out of flour, but I think this is more than enough. So just toss your chicken in there. This is kind of a quick, easy fried chicken recipe. Most people have these ingredients already at home, and it doesn't take too long to get it ready. So make sure your chicken is not necessarily frozen or at room temperature, but you do want it defrosted so that it cooks well in your oil. Okay, so there we go. There. Alright, now we've got our chicken all coated there. Now we can put it into our hot oil. Now you can see it's already smoking. I may have to lower the heat a little bit, but Drop your chicken pieces in carefully. And keep an eye on them. Just put enough pieces where it's not going to overcrowd. And I won't spoil it. It's a little hot. I might want to turn it down just a bit. If you're cooking late, you're going to make sure that you leave them in there long enough because it's got a bone and it's going to take a little longer for that to cook. I like to do the thighs because they're smaller pieces and they cook a little faster. For those of you who are wanting to make like a orange chicken, you do a similar type of frying with your chicken, and you just need to make an orange sauce that you can drizzle on your fried chicken, like an Asian type of fried chicken. Paper towel. If you're ever not sure if your chicken is ready, you can always, after you put it on your paper towel, you can always pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes, like 2 minutes, and that will finish any big pieces or thick parts of your chicken, just to be on the safe side. But usually this oil is hot enough to cook it down as long as you're watching it. My first batch cooked really fast because the oil was a little high. This one I lowered it down just a tad. So now it'll slow down a little bit of the cooking. That's okay. Don't move them around too much until you can see that it's starting to pick up on the boiling. Then you know that the chicken is getting crispy. Like I said, it only has a few ingredients. This is garlic powder with a little salt. Just let that down. Okay, I'm going to finish cooking these pieces and then I'll show you how we're going to put it on our plate. Okay? just about done. I lowered the fire just a little bit because the other one was a little too high, so I had to really keep an eye on them. This one, I was able to control it a little bit better. Now remember, when you season it, you put the salt, of course, and you just toss a little bit of garlic powder. You don't need a whole lot, just a little. And then, of course, you deep fry them. And here we go. We've got our crispy chicken. These are chicken thighs. This is about, I would say, 1.5 pounds. So, I hope you get a chance to try this fried chicken recipe. Let me know what you think, and I will make another recipe again soon. Okay, bye-bye.